will be unboxing Itty Bitty Lost Kitties. There's 36 to collect by early in 2019. It said it's from the world of Littlest Pet Shop Toys. Ages 5 and above. Let's open now. There's a wrapper that we have to open. I got scissors just in case. We might need those. You can even open it from here. But I'm going to make sure that we get it all around here. I'm just going to press it so that we can be able to open. Okay, it's like this. It's going to be like this. And then here's the collector's guide that we got. They always fold the collector's guide so it will fit. Here's one side of it. This could be a good poster. There is hashtag homebodies, hashtag noms, hashtag udhods. I can't really say that word, but and then there's a hashtag cutie paw tootie. We're gonna have to open this, I bet. Oh, we got Play-Doh. We got this kind of dough that you can get out. Here it is. I love this dough. It's like clay. It's like softer than Play-Doh. I think we got a sticker. I plays good. I think that's the one we got. Let's open. Yep, we got a pretty good one. Let's see where the collector's guide we have it. I think we got somebody named Butternut. That's the one we got. Pretty sure. Okay. This dough is like so soft. It's not like slime though. It's like Play-Doh. And then you could just, I see on TV you just put it in it like this. Let's see our sticker that we got. I'm pretty sure this is a sticker. I love stickers. I have a whole sticker collection. This is a very cute sticker. Matches with him. You can put him, you can do this so it looks more realistic. 3D. I bet if you put this into slime, it would turn like a butter slime, even though this is not clay. You could put it back into a container. With the kitty and maybe the sticker. Let's look over the ones that I want. I would like Yawns because pink and purple are my favorite colors. And Buzzy. I like Tyke. Really cute. Oh, there's more over here. There's also All Play. No, we got an All Play. There's a CC Queen. We got CC Queen. And then we also got All Ground Up. but they look really cute still. And I like Meatball. Maybe I would also like to get Trixie. Let's go over our dough again. I think you guys should get one of these because the dough is like way softer than Play-Doh. Unless it's a different brand that you guys got. Okay, put him on. He's got footprints everywhere. Then we can put the sticker on too. Put that on. And this. That's it for today's video. I hope you liked it. Don't forget to subscribe, hit the bell, like, and comment down below. Bye!